Kilarigbo Live TV, ìkànnì amúlùdún àkọ́kọ́ tó ń gbé àṣà àti ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ Yorùbá lárugẹ.
Asiwaju, Bola, Ahmed, Tinubu, the numero uno of Lagos State and the entire Nigeria becomes the president come 2023. It is our right, and we shall fight for it to ensure that His Excellency Babajide becomes the governor again. It is our right to ensure that that progressive forum, the progressive party, becomes a national party in such a manner that in the 30 states, no other party will have that impetus to showcase themselves. But the only progressive, all progressive was Congress. And it is our right to ensure that of all groups, Nigeria for back is the only one that can make themselves to be manifested and ensure that all and sundry reckon with them. They are going to work with them. They will be at the top at the Senate. It is our right, and we shall ensure it. Nigeria for back! Nigeria for back! In unity we stand! Now, here, I'm going to change that. When I say Nigeria for back, you said in unity we stand. And when I say in unity we stand, you will say Tinubu for president. Tinubu for president. Can I come in? Okay. I'm also saying Asiwaju wà ní Tinubu. Oh, paper come. On your mandate we shall. On your mandate. Observe protocols. It is just that Aluta spirit is still in our blood. And the one time we know this, we cannot do without alutalizing. Because that we are here today, our mobility is built upon the podium of Aluta. And so whenever we find ourselves, we must alutalize. the national coordinator, Honorable Femi Shonomi Ashowumi, the state coordinator, Honorable Adioba Adejumo. And from there, I appreciate the state coordinator, Dr. Mrs. Ayola, without forgetting all the state executives, the owner of this terrain, and venerate the speaker of the House of Representatives, Honorable Femi Bajabiamila. Greatest Nigerian for birth, progressive Nigerian for birth. We have shown that this is Lagos State. And in Lagos State, we are always marvelous. We are fantastic. We have shown that we are alive. And from there, we want to carry everybody to the zenith. After you not travailler. Oh, you have to be there. Oh! So, today we are gathered here today to manifest that it is time for Yorubas to become numero uno. Now it is time for Southwest to take the leadership position. It is time to manifest that the youth are ready to do all it takes to actualize our dreams. And we are united. Nobody can brainwash us. For you to know that we are alive, the youth are divided into four. We have the working youth, we have the student youth, we have the fresh graduates, we have the political youth. So we all are present here. And I'm going to give each representative just 2 minutes to make a mark before I round up my own opening remarks. And I'll call upon Comrade Aluko, the representative of Acknowledgements in Lagos State, who happens to be a former aspirant on the platform of APC.
Greatest Nigerian student, ever reasonable Nigerian student, greatest articulate Kulukulu, greatest Nigerian for birth, greatest Nigerian for birth. I still remain my humble self, Comrade Asiwaju, one-time aspirant Lagos State House of Assembly, Oshodi Solo Constituency 2. And I still remain an alumna of the Lagos State University, the leading state university in sub-Saharan Africa, whether you like it or not. Take it or leave it, we are always there. We are gallant. And I want to say to you today that we all have our permanent voters card here present. And I want us all to make sure that you have your PVC. Without your PVC, you cannot make the statement. We all must come out en masse to stand on the election day with our leader and solidarize with him. He has been pushing every one of us for the past 16 years. And the time is now to give it to him as the leader, as the #1 of Nigeria. Whether we like it or not, inshallah, Jesus. I want to assure everybody of, inshallah, whatever you believe in, Shango, Ogun, Oya, let us come out together to support our leader, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Jagaban Bogun, come February, and also let us make sure that we support Babajide Olusola Sanwo-Olu, inshallah.
May I call upon the representative of the political youth who happen to be Honorable Jimoh Oloshugo, who was once the leader of the House in Ikorodu local government.
APC, Momo, Nigerian for part, eléyìí nínú structure INEC campaign by 28 àkọ́mọjáde, àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́? Ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ mẹ́rin fún ìkẹlẹ̀ mọ̀ pé ọjọ́ ọ̀la Nàìjíríà ti dá. Nínú gbogbo stéètì ní Nàìjíríà, tálẹ́ni tó kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sanwó wàhálà àtàkùsá àti Yíbò tí ò yọ̀kan kúrò ní Nàìjíríà tá ní. Nínú gbogbo stéètì Nàìjíríà, yunifásitì wo ni ò lọ strike ní the last 23 years? Ìdásù ní Èkó yìí ni Tàṣíwájú bá débẹ̀ kò ní sí strike ẹyọ kan mọ́ torí kò ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Èkó. Tàṣíwájú bá débẹ̀ ó tàbí lójú ni pé education ló jẹ́ concern gbogbo àwọn àtàwọn àbí àtẹ̀yìn òbí wa ó ti wà ókè. Ta ni gómìnà ẹ̀jẹ̀ káwá sílé àṣẹ campaign àyè fọ́ọ̀mù ara wa. Ta ni gómìnà tó kọ́kọ́ ronú ilé ó yẹ kí Nàìjíríà ká níná tó kọ́kọ́ ṣe ẹ̀rọ project pé kí Nàìjíríà lè níná dá wọ́n yẹ àníhà. Ta ni tó bá ti jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ àti campaign o akọ̀wá sọ wípé Ọ̀yọ́ mandate we shall stand. We shall stand. Ọ̀yọ́ mandate. Ọ̀yọ́ mandate. Ọ̀yọ́ mandate we shall. Thank you so much, God bless you.
Ṣẹ́ni pé ó tún kù ó sọ fún kù lẹ̀. Now, for you to know that this forum does not only is not biased in terms of gender, permit me to come to the podium and acknowledge the speaker, the first female speaker, as far as Lagos State University is concerned. The person of Right Honorable Ọgbọ́nmípọ̀ Bámgbọ́pà. No necessary institution in Lagos State at the moment does it go? Now, let me use this thing for you to know that we have representatives of all the tertiary institutions in Lagos State that are here present. I work on the representative of Lagos State Polytechnic, which is now Lagos State University of Science and Technology. Tano sọ di bẹ́ẹ̀, tano sọ di lọ́sùn tẹ̀. I call on Comrade Kehinde Ọláyẹmí.
I know the greatest Nigerian student, yo. I know the greatest Bobo. I know the greatest Baba. I know the greatest Baba Bobo. Kudu kudu. Another challenge, yo. Another challenge, yo. Another double challenge, yo. Another challenge, yo. Another challenge, yo. Another challenge, yo. So challenge, yo. Kulu kulu. I remember I want to serve Comrade Olayemi Kehinde from Lagos State University of Science and Technology, formerly known as LASPOTECH. All protocols are duly observed. I greet our leaders, our mummies, our daddies in the house. Students, in person of Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the Jagaban of Nigeria, the Jagaban of our time, the only candidate that have logo, the only candidate that has been walking all around Nigeria to make positive difference. Please, we are, according to INEC, we hear that the ban is going to be lifted this month ending. Please, don't canvass for our candidate. God will help us. We will surely achieve our goals. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Let me quickly call on the representative of Adeniro Ogusoya College of Education that has now become. Okay.
Another greatest Nigerian student, another greatest articulate Nigerian student, Nigerian format, Nigerian format. From the very beginning of this journey, history has been made already, and it will continue that way. Because láti àìsídáì láti gbọ́ pé lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ làwọn fún wọn. Lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ làwọn fún wọn. Education tó sanwó fún lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ làwọn fún wọn. It is showing already that this is a journey that is going to be very successful. Because in our gathering here, we have everybody present. We have our good mothers present, we have our mothers present. We have the youth present, we have the old, we have the young. We have the Nigerian youth, we have everybody present here. So, what are we not talking about? As we have all come outside today to make history, so we will continue to the very end, very back. Where we can all say to ourselves, congratulations. Thank you very much. Nigeria for that.
May I recognize the representative of the working youth?
APC. Nigeria for that. Nigeria for that. In unity we stand. Ẹ ká sọ àwọn dádì wa, àwọn bọ́bí wa, àtàwọn youth ní tiwa. A mọ̀ pé campaign ò tí bẹ̀rẹ̀ o, afẹ́kọ̀ọ́ yé wa. Kò sí ìdúró, kò sákòókò. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbóṣèlú wa jáde. Àti youth o, àtàwọn tá à ń ṣiṣẹ́ o, àtàwọn tá à ń ṣiṣẹ́, àtàwọn tá à ṣe ń kàwé. It is now time to take it to your friend, take it to your neighbor, take it on your street. ọwọ́ tó rò kó tọ́ sọ́mọ tí ò tó wọn lọ́wọ́ wá bínú. Kò síbi tí yẹn ò sí nínú ilé wa kan náà inú ẹ̀ wà. Ṣùgbọ́n tí gbogbo nǹkan báyìí bá ti ṣẹlẹ̀ ńkọ́ nítorí ti ẹni tí anáfẹ́ gbé dé ipò president méjì bàbá wa Bola Ahmed Tinubu inshallah kó ní kálukú pátí jámánì ká lọ fọwọ́ wọ́nú. Àwọn bàbá ń bínú ẹjọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká bára wa ṣe, ẹ jẹ́ á padà sí ward, ẹ jẹ́ á padà sí local government wa. Àárọ̀ àwọn ẹlòmíì wá ní chairman ẹ má wọrí ọmọ òní bá wọn ṣe ṣùgbọ́n màá dìbò fún Aṣíwájú ìyẹn ni kò tó. A ti parí ìjà, a ti yanjú gbogbo ẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n bí tó bá kù sí mo fi ti Ọlọ́run ọba àti ti bàbá tó ti ń sìn wá látijọ́ yìí tó wá ní ká wá sí òun mo fi bẹ̀ yín gbogbo ibi tó bá kù sí ẹ̀yà ọwọ́ ni ìtí ò bá tó lè lò ó máa tó lọ́la lágbàmọ́ náà. Lẹ́yìn yẹn àìmọye ètò láti ṣe nípa wípé bí ọ̀rọ̀ èèyàn ṣe máa dúró ní polling unit kọ̀ọ̀kan. Tá bá wò tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ the number of polling unit tí Lagos State ní about 6,000 something ní but nísìnyí ó ti pọ̀ rẹpẹtẹ. Bóyá wá pọ̀ yẹn náà àwọn èèyàn gbọ́dọ̀ wà níbi kọ̀ọ̀kan ẹ̀ láti jẹ́ aṣojú wa. And we are the only party that can produce that kind of structure. Nítorí náà bàbá padà délé ẹ jẹ́ ká fọwọ́ wẹwọ́ pẹ̀lú gbogbo ọ̀wọ́ tó wà nídìí ẹ̀ láti jẹ́ wípé kájọ ṣe. Òṣèlú àwọn méjì ló ń ṣe o. Àwọn adájọ́ òṣèlú la wà níbí báyìí sí ni o. Àwọn kan wà wọ́n ń ṣòṣèlú ṣùgbọ́n máa dìbò. Àwa la máa kó ọ̀wọ́ tí wọ́n ń ṣòṣèlú tó máa dìbò jáde sínú ẹgbẹ́ wa. Iṣẹ́ wa nìyẹn o. Tá bá dẹ̀ wò tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ ó rọrùn díẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n sì ní ó ṣe ó jẹ́ ní o. A gbọ́dọ̀ kó yàn jáde ní o. Nítorí náà ká máa bọ́ọ̀mù èèyàn wa sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ̀yin ìyálọ́jà a nígbàgbọ́ nínú yín, a dẹ̀ mọ̀ wípé iṣẹ́ wa lẹ ti ń ṣe láti yẹ ọdún ìgbà máa bínú. Ọwọ́ tó rò kó tọ́ sọ́mọ tí ò tó wọn lọ́wọ́ wá bínú. Kò síbi tí yẹn ò sí nínú ilé wa kan náà inú ẹ̀ wà. Ṣùgbọ́n tí gbogbo nǹkan báyìí bá ti ṣẹlẹ̀ ńkọ́ nítorí ti ẹni tí anáfẹ́ gbé dé ipò president méjì bàbá wa Bola Ahmed Tinubu inshallah kó ní kálukú pátí jámánì ká lọ fọwọ́ wọ́nú. Àwọn bàbá ń bínú ẹjọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká bára wa ṣe, ẹ jẹ́ á padà sí ward, ẹ jẹ́ á padà sí local government wa. Àárọ̀ àwọn ẹlòmíì wá ní chairman ẹ má wọrí ọmọ òní bá wọn ṣe ṣùgbọ́n màá dìbò fún Aṣíwájú ìyẹn ni kò tó. A ti parí ìjà, a ti yanjú gbogbo ẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n bí tó bá kù sí mo fi ti Ọlọ́run ọba àti ti bàbá tó ti ń sìn wá látijọ́ yìí tó wá ní ká wá sí òun mo fi bẹ̀ yín gbogbo ibi tó bá kù sí ẹ̀yà ọwọ́ ni ìtí ò bá tó lè lò ó máa tó lọ́la lágbàmọ́ náà. Lẹ́yìn yẹn àìmọye ètò láti ṣe nípa wípé bí ọ̀rọ̀ èèyàn ṣe máa dúró ní polling unit kọ̀ọ̀kan. Tá bá wò tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ the number of polling unit tí Lagos State ní about 6,000 something ni but nísìnyí ó ti pọ̀ rẹpẹtẹ bóyá wá pọ̀ yẹn náà àwọn èèyàn gbọ́dọ̀ wà níbi kọ̀ọ̀kan ẹ̀ láti jẹ́ aṣojú wa and we are the only party that can produce out that kind of structure nítorí náà bàbá padà délé ẹ jẹ́ ká fọwọ́ wẹwọ́ pẹ̀lú gbogbo ọwọ́ tó wà nídìí ẹ̀ láti jẹ́ wípé kájọ ṣe òṣèlú àwọn méjì ló ń ṣe o àwọn adájọ́ òṣèlú la wà níbí báyìí sí ni o àwọn kan wà wọ́n ń ṣòṣèlú ṣùgbọ́n máa dìbò àwa la máa kó ọ̀wọ́ tí wọ́n ń ṣòṣèlú tó máa dìbò jáde sínú ẹgbẹ́ wa iṣẹ́ wa nìyẹn o tá a bá dẹ̀ wò tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ ó rọrùn díẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n sì ní ó ṣe ó jẹ́ ní o a gbọ́dọ̀ kó yàn jáde ní o nítorí náà ká máa bọ́ọ̀mù èèyàn wa sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀yin ìyá lọ́jà a nígbàgbọ́ nínú yín a dẹ̀ mọ̀ wípé iṣẹ́ wa lẹ ti ń ṣe láti yẹ ọdún yìí kò dẹ̀ ní sùn. Being elected as the president of Nigeria is going to make sure that education is free from primary school to the higher institution. I believe we can do it. Because life itself is about track records. What have you done before? If you can be able to point to some of the things that you've done before successfully, people will look at you as somebody who can still do it and will believe you can do it. Nítorí náà ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ jẹ́ gbogbo aṣọwọ́pọ̀ ká ṣiṣẹ́ yìí láṣeyọrí. Then another thing tí chairman tún ní ká bẹ̀bẹ̀ fún ni pé àìmọye ọmọ èèyàn wa tí wọn ò tí ì gba ìwé ìdìbò wọn ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹjá àtilédílé àtọjà sọ́jà àtiléèwé déléèwé INEC have a very large number of PCC tí wọn ò tí ì gbà láàrin ìgbàkẹ́ àlè dìbò so please ẹ bá wa encourage ọmọ èèyàn kan lọ gbà ntàgbé dání ìlábàlọ náà a ṣe fún wa o. If anybody as a party member has any complaint, go through your ward, go through your local government. If you are not satisfied, come to your party. We are there to serve you, and we want to make sure we are all on one page by the time we are going for election, so that the election can be successful and we can succeed. Thank you very much.
Kilarigbo Live TV, ìkànnì amúlùdún àkọ́kọ́ tó ń gbé àṣà àti ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ Yorùbá lárugẹ.